Hi you guys, so I'm here and I just got in this portable compact ice maker by Silonn. And so really excited for this. So you can see it. So like I said, it's gonna be portable so you can take it. So whether you are having a party at your house, you need some extra ice, whatever the case is, this is gonna be absolutely amazing, especially for those hot days outside when you just need some more ice. So really excited to test this out and see how it works. So you can see it does come with a cord, and it is a decent like length as well. So you can see, you're just gonna plug it in. So, all right, so have it, and you can kind of hear it a little bit here as soon as you turn it on. So let me just go over just real quick about the features, and we're gonna make some ice. So it does come with this part that's right up here. So you can see this here, which is gonna be really nice, especially if you have something that like a big water jug where you wanna constantly make ice. If not, you can just pour some water right in there. And then this part opens up, and this is where the ice is gonna come out, and then it does have a nice little thing that you're actually able to pull out to get the ice out. And then it also comes with the ice scoop along with the LCD screen to be able to turn it on and off. There is a cleaning system on here, and then for more time or less time on there. So let's go ahead and fill this up and make some ice. This has a water capacity of 5 liters. The one thing that I really like with this is it is not loud at all. So if you guys can see like the little icicles stumbling around, that's just showing that everything is getting ready. And now if you can see how it shows that 15M, that just means that now it's gonna be 15 minutes till the ice cubes are ready, and you can see how the water coming down and it's starting to freeze in the blocks. And then once it's done, you guys check it out. It literally is just gonna push itself out, and then the ice cubes are ready to use. Oh my gosh, did you guys see how easy that was? And then again, you have this that you're gonna be able to pull the ice cubes out with. And again, it does have like the holes at the bottom, just in case like if it like melts or anything like that, you have so that way the water can come down. And then you can use your ice cube after you break it up. And now you guys have my ice cubes, and then you can pour your drink. And you are all set. So perfect ice cubes, perfect for on the go. And just when you just need a little bit of a refresher, you don't have to worry about making sure you have everything everywhere, because you can just bring this. So you don't have to worry about bringing a whole refrigerator with you to make the ice. You're gonna be able to take this with you for those hot days, for those barbecues, anything like that. So that was really easy to be able to do. I like it, you just literally plug it in. And again, if you want them thicker ice cubes, you can just add more time. But then yeah, it just kind of like pushes it out, falls down, you break it up, and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching.